Hey guys, welcome to Airstream DFW. I'm Michaela Evans. Happy St. Patrick's Day today. I've got on my green. I got on my green Nikes. I'm ready to roll. I'm here today to show y'all the 2025 Basecamp 20X. So I've got it right here behind me. We're gonna do a little quick walkthrough of these. I know I have a couple online already. You've got some options here on this Basecamp. So we've got the Basecamp 20X, like we're about to go through now. You can do a Basecamp 20X REI, and you know that's the one that's got all the REI swag. If you go to our page and scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see that walkthrough video. And then be paying attention. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe below, because Airstream just launched the Basecamp 20XE, and that is gonna have like a really nice big electric package on it. So big, nice battery to run this AC and everything inside off of battery power. So this one that I have in stock right now in the showroom, y'all can come and view. And while we're right here up in the front, we'll kind of start going through some of those power packages too. So this Basecamp's going to have propane bottles here. You've got two 20-pound tanks on the top. Right above it is some storage. So behind this propane tank, up on top, if you lift up, you've got a little storage for your electrical plugs here, or any chalks or anything you're carrying with you. And then those propane tanks are accessible down below. Electric tongue jack right here, 7-way plug, of course. The X package is gonna give you these nice solar guards up top, as well as your stone guards. You guys, I don't know, I mean, every now and then I'll have a customer ask me about a Basecamp without the X package, but I think this is the way most of you guys want it, right? Like, comment and let me know. I just haven't had a customer in so long ask for it without the X package. It's almost like a standard feature, at least in our showroom now. So come around onto the side. You also have an extra little storage compartment here, really easily accessible on this power side. 30 amp smart plug. We've seen this before, super easy to use. Plug in, plug out. And like I said, 30 amps, right? So we've got one AC on this unit. You're gonna see this is a very easy, simple unit to use. Right below your power station is your dump station. The 20-foot, unlike the 16-foot Basecamp, has a gray tank and a black tank, you guys. I want to point out these tires, but it's a little dark on this side. Let's get on the other side and you guys can see it. On this side, we've got your water, of course, your exhaust for your Suburban tanks there, and your black tank flush as well. A Basecamp's also going to have an outdoor shower with hot and cold water. You know, we're seeing that on every Airstream. So check out the back. You've got this really cool lifted back end like a hatch. So it's gonna open up this way. This is the only Airstream that doesn't have a backup monitor or rear view monitor on the back. But you guys, our service department can add that on. It's a great little add-on that we can have done for you. So check this out. It's like right at waist level. I can easily throw kayaks, bikes, whatever I want to in here, and there's some tie downs on the floor. You've got an extra storage here, and this is like a wet dry storage. I know in the Airstream video, they've got like someone putting their water sports jumpsuit in there or something like that. That's Texas. This is Texas. I don't know, maybe we put chalks or some other outdoor equipment in there, hiking gear, something like that. So come around to this side. Let's check out this X package lift kit. So 3 inches of lift kit here. You see guys how it looks like bigger and taller than just a lift kit, because they also do these bigger wheels and bigger tires, more off-road. This is really a great little off-road camper. It only weighs 4,300 pounds gross weight, so even like a big SUV is going to tow this very easily. I think the tongue weight's a little higher at like right at 500, a little over 500. So call me if you have questions about your tow vehicle. Call me here at the store or comment below. Like, I can help you with your tow vehicle and let you know what it can tow and what it can't. All right, coming inside. So let me show you the screen door first. So you have a nice closed off to keep the bugs away. Close that in, and then follow me inside. Some hooks, right, for storage right here at the front. As you first come into a Basecamp 20, you'll notice this is the big difference, right? If you've seen a 16 before, this is where the kitchen sits. Well, now you've got your seating, and this is so nice because I want to sit at my view. Like, I want to sit with my coffee at my view here. And then also, if you bring a friend or you have kids or grandkids, this table will drop down and this becomes an extra sleeping situation here. I think Airstream says this will sleep for 2 small people, 2 big people, 2 big people, 1 small person here. And then we have some storage up above as well. And this is open storage. You guys, people online are so creative. I've seen hanging things from here to add some additional storage, boxes that fit in here. So look that up, Google it. People have some amazing ideas and are really creative. Behind me is your microwave and your fridge. So just a small fridge here, like any of our single axles. You do have some freezer space up at the top. And then you'll see on a 20-foot Basecamp, we're definitely getting some extra storage all along throughout the whole camper. Some extra storage there. And then right behind me is your bathroom, and this is actually a wet dry bath, you guys, if you're not familiar. So your toilet and your shower will both be inside. Easy to clean, easy to keep dry, and you have a window in here too, so you don't feel so claustrophobic, and some mirrors to get ready. So that's a nice feature. If I would think, let me think about this. So my Basecamp camper, they are the type that have tent camped their whole life and they're done with it. They don't want to sleep on the floor anymore, you guys. They want to be in something like this where there's not much to it. There's not, it doesn't feel like glamping. They still want to feel like they're out camping and hiking, and this is the trailer for that. So you do have some glamping upgrades, right? A nice big sink and a 2-burner stovetop. So this is gonna run off that propane. And then underneath, a ton of storage here as well. And then back here towards the back on the other side of the bathroom, you almost have a closet. So in the REI, if you go back and watch that video, you'll see these are connected and you have some hanging space. On the regular Basecamp 20X, just some storage cubbies, which, I mean, priceless. Storage inside of an RV, you guys, y'all know how priceless that is to have. Now that I'm in the back, so you can see the back door, this is your bed. From wall to wall is your bed. So you can put it like this. I've had customers use this like a twin. There is 2 panels that go across here, and you can set up your cushions across here to give you a little more elbow space to lay down and put your feet like this. Or there's piano hinges that pull out, and this entire thing becomes a bed. So it measures almost like a traditional king size bed, so very nice and roomy. Airstream makes a topper to make this an actual mattress. So I would think a lot of people leave this as a bed all the time. You know, just set it up as a bed, leave it, don't mess with it. But if you wanted to, you've got 2 tables that set up here in the middle to create like an eating space or a second dining space back here in the back. And like I said, you've got this nice track system along the floor and tie downs on the floor to put in bikes, kayaks, any boxes or equipment that you needed to while you're driving. And then once again, up top, we've got storage on both sides to store, you know, hanging things, dry things, just some very visible storage. And then of course the AC is above me, and you've got a Suburban heating system. So we'll link the full specs down below. So if you want to see all the equipment this one comes with, I'm really excited to find an owner for this one that plans on being plugged in, because I think that new XE package that's coming out is going to be so popular, you guys. So if you're looking for a deal, call me, hit me up. We'll get you some pricing on this one. I also have an Easter surprise coming soon, so be on the lookout for that too, guys. We want to see you in the showroom. If you haven't yet, go follow me on all my socials. It's at Airstream MIC, and let me know if y'all what y'all think about this camper, the Basecamp 20X, and if there's anything else y'all want me to walk through that you haven't seen yet. Comment below. I'm trying to answer all y'all's comments, and look forward to seeing you in the showroom. Thanks. Bye so much.